Okay, guys, I want to talk to you a little bit about molarity. Molarity is the concentration of a compound calculated in moles per liters. That is to say, how many moles do we have in 1 liter? Okay, the procedure for solving this problem is as simple as calculating the total number of moles and the volume of the solution, then converting the units of the volume to liters. Notice that this can be used in different ways, such as finding molarity from moles and volume, or finding moles from molarity and volume, also finding volume from moles and molarity. Remember that you can use molar mass to do moles to mass conversions and vice versa. Another way to use molarity is to calculate the dilution of a solution from one concentration to another. Okay, so let's go through a couple of problems. Let's find out what the molarity is of 600 milliliter solution containing 5 grams of sodium chloride. First, we got to set up this problem. 5 grams of sodium chloride over 600 milliliters of the solution. Then, we have to divide the grams of sodium chloride by the molar mass to acquire how many moles of sodium chloride there are. Additional to that, we can create a conversion of milliliters to liters. In your calculator, you can multiply the 5 grams times 1 mole times 1000 milliliters and divide that total by the 600 milliliters and the 58.44 grams of sodium chloride. As you can see, the molarity for this solution is 0.14. Okay, so let's work on another problem. I want to determine the mass of calcium hydroxide contained in 3.47 liters of 0.133 molar solution. In this case, we know that we have a 3.47 liters of calcium hydroxide solution with a molarity of 0.133, which means that we have 0.133 moles of calcium hydroxide in 1 liter. This lets us know how many moles of calcium hydroxide are contained within the solution. We can convert this with the molar mass, which is 74.1 grams of calcium hydroxide, to find out the actual mass of calcium hydroxide within the solution. In this case, it's 34.2 grams of calcium hydroxide, which are contained within this solution. So once again, in chemistry, the way we calculate concentrations of solutions is by molarity. And molarity is calculated by the number of moles of the compounds in 1 liter. I hope that this was helpful, and if you have any questions, just please let me know.